Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in the dining room, so welcome to the dining room. And if you're joining me today, it's because you are excited to find out what is in the February Joyful Jordan box. So I have a really cute little video to share with you. My daughter helped me open the mail the other day when this new February box arrived. Hopefully you can't see any of the items there. So I'm going to show you the video in just a minute and share with you what we found when we got to open it up together. Just a couple of quick notes. So if you're not familiar, Jordan Essentials is a company out of Nixa, Missouri. So it's made right here in the United States. And they do 2 catalogs a year. They have a spring catalog and a fall winter catalog. So February 8th is when the new spring summer catalog is coming out. So this February Joyful Jordan box is kind of a precursor to some of the new things that are coming for that February catalog. So one of the things is the Joyful Jordan box is still going to be coming every month. It's always available from the 1st to the end of that month. It's still going to be filled with lots of great exclusive products. Sometimes there are things in there that are in the current catalog, but they might be in a different size or might be added with other things that you can't get in the regular catalog. So that part is all staying the same. It's still filled with lots of awesome products for your home, for your skin, for your hair, all kinds of good stuff. And it is still going to be available either as a one-time purchase, so you can always just buy one if you want to just give it a try, or you can purchase it as a subscription. Now the subscription part is changing a little bit, and I don't have all the details yet. Once I get them, I'll probably put them down below in the description of this video. But the only thing I know for sure is they no longer going to offer the prepaid subscription packages. So you used to be able to prepay for a 3-month or a 6-month or a 9-month or a 12-month subscription. That part's going away, but you can still subscribe on a monthly basis. So once I know a little bit more about how that's all going to work and what exactly is changing, I will definitely let you know. But the only other change is that the price is going up just a little bit. So currently the January Joyful Jordan box is $20. It's been $20 for maybe a year or so. It started out at $15, but every time they've bumped the price up a little bit, it's greatly expanded the value of the box. So now the box is going to be $25 a month or per box. But it's going to have over $35 worth of product in it, so it really is an awesome value. I love picking them up because I can keep, if I want to keep all of the products for myself, I can certainly do that, but it's a really great value on some good products that if you want to split it up into smaller gifts, then you've already gotten a great deal, and it's a good savings, and it's great products that, you know, everyone's going to love. So the new box will be $25. It'll still be $5.50 for shipping. They're making that stay the same. So for that little bit, you can get this awesome collection. So now let's roll our little video of my daughter helping me open the February Joyful Jordan box. So I'll be right back after you get a chance to watch. Oh, those are the bags I ordered for customer delivery things.
Well, if my dad they were bags.
Yeah, you're right. They are bags. Okay.
Okay.
So that's that.
That's freezing.
Yeah, it's cold outside.
Kind of freezing.
And those are some order forms. Good. I needed those.
Do you need this?
Oh my goodness, this is exciting. That's the new one for February. We haven't even opened it yet.
Is
that it?
That's the last thing.
Okay.
Let's open it.
Oh my goodness, let's open it.
I can't believe we just got one.
I know. How about we?
Oh yeah, I know how to.
Upside down. You know how. Okay.
Get those out.
Yep. What did we get? Should I read it? Can I see the card? It says, "Live life abundantly. Create a life you love." What is that?
More for.
Oh, essential oils.
Yeah, we can use those in our.
Oh my goodness! So we get unscented shower gel. That's new. We've never. Or have we had unscented? Now I can't remember. I'll have to look. Maybe we have had it, but we haven't had it like this where you get, so let's see. Almond rich, you can add your choice of oils. Maybe we have had it. Okay, and then unscented Shea Body Butter, and you can add your, and then what are the essential oils? You're trying to show me. That's too close. Put them in my hand here. Thank you. So what is this? Unscented shower gel and unscented shower gel. So we have two different bottles, so we can make it our own. And unscented body butter, and then what are the oils we got?
I'll give.
Unique custom fragrance: lavender, peppermint, and lemon. Very
I'm gonna love
cool.
that last. I'm gonna love all of them.
You love all of them.
Hopefully, I have to.
Awesome. Well, that's pretty cool how we can mix our own together. Okay, so you've gotten a chance to see what is in the February Joyful Jordan box. Lots of good stuff. And that last little picture at the end was her craft project she wanted to show you all. So she took a ketchup bottle and made a skirt out of, I don't know what we used, like an old, I think it was a wipe or paper towel or something. She cut it into a circle and made a skirt and drew the face on it. So she was super proud of that. So I had to show you her little picture with that. But there you go. That is the Joyful Jordan box for February. So after I filmed with her, I kind of sat down and did some math, and I haven't gotten the official word from the company, but I'm pretty sure this is around $40 in value. Just based on the essential oils and the good Shea Body Butter that's in there and the shower gel. So these are a smaller, just 5 ml bottle of the essential oils. So this is great because if you want to travel with it, or you just want a smaller bottle maybe to keep at your desk at work, if you have a diffuser at work and you want to have some essential oils there. Or if you want to have your own little stash that's in your bathroom, and then there's the family one that's out, you know, in the kitchen or something. So you've got these little smaller bottles you can mix and match and add to your unscented body butter, and then also the unscented shower gel. And I was kind of thrown off and trying to think on camera. We of course have had unscented shower gel. It's just the size that normally isn't available. So this is a nice little, either a trial or a travel size. If you want to, you know, mix up a blend and just try it out, you can do it in a small bottle. And as far as the shea butter, the little card kind of tells you about it, but you can do what's called a palm blend. So you just put a little bit of the shea butter in the palm of your hand, and then a drop or two of the oil that you're wanting to mix in, and blend that together. And then you can, you know, just apply it to your hands or on your body, wherever you're wanting to apply that shea butter. But what's kind of fun about that is that every time you can experiment with the scent combinations and get a new scent that you like. So lots of fun things in the February Joyful Jordan box. And like I said, I'm pretty sure it's about a $40 value. So for $25, you're getting a lot of great products, and having the smaller sizes and the travel size is good if you want to, like I said, throw one in your purse or just have something to take with you on a little vacation. And I think that's everything to do with the Joyful Jordan box. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to just catch up with everything going on in my life and the Jordan Essentials products. I kind of do a little bit of everything here. So I'll be doing some new cleaning and motivating video series coming up, and possibly a collaboration with one of my good friends. So and this is the current Joyful Jordan, or Jordan Essentials, sorry, this is the current catalog. So if you have one of these, this is good through the end of January, and then I guess through the first week of February. So you can still get all those great products, and we will find out what's coming in the new spring and summer catalog once we get into mid-February. I believe the items in the new catalog will all be available to order starting February 14th. So happy Valentine's Day. And there is a Valentine's Day special where you can get one of the basic kits, so the $35 basic collection, and you can get that in any, this one right here. You can get that in any of the signature scents for $35, but for Valentine's Day, then they're also throwing in a special lotion bar in the chocolate mint scent, which is not in the catalog. So if that's a scent that you love, it's kind of been here and there in different holidays. We've had that scent around. So if you want to get a lotion bar in that scent, this is a great chance to do it and get a good deal on the other basic collections. So thanks again for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll put all the details in the description down below. If you want to hop onto my web store and purchase a Joyful Jordan box for February, you can certainly do that. Or if you have questions, just let me know. But otherwise, thanks for joining me. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.